ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Mediterranean salad. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and of course the notification bell so you can keep up with my latest recipes. Okay, let's get started. This is what we are going to use today. First, we have to start cooking our carrots. Now same way we will cook our beans. And then our potatoes. Okay, as soon as it's done, let's take it out and wash the carrots. Take it out and start cutting them in small pieces. Find a nice big bowl and start putting it inside. Now we will add some sweet peas. And our cooked beans. Let's move to our pickles. Cut them in small pieces as possible. Not too small, but small enough. This looks amazing. It looks like art. Now let's cut our beetroot. I like cutting them in square pieces. I don't know why, when I'm cutting them in square, I feel like it tastes better. I'm just joking. Oh no, our bowl is getting full. Now my favorite, potatoes. I can never get enough of potatoes. Let's put nicely everything inside the bowl with the other ones. Time to move on to our green onions and cilantros. Now we will make our own salad juice. Nicely, let's cut the lemon so we can squeeze the juice inside a small bowl so we can make our own salad juice. After squeezing the lemon juice, we will add some vinegar. Black pepper. Little bit of organic, no salt seasoning. You can get this from Costco. And little bit of pink salt. I love pink salt. It tastes much better than the regular one. Now let's mix it really well and put it on the salad. After mixing it very well, it's ready to dig in. Okay everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed our video this week. Please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell. Until next time, see you.